This is our first night shift. Hopefully, this is when the drug dealers come out. All right.
Frank's really keen
Whoa,
on.
this is a cool precinct. Oh, we're downtown. Oh, hey, what's going on here?
There's an emergency.
Hey,
Urgent response required.
my shift's over
Officer
in 20
available?
minutes. Sorry, Frank Miller had to put the moves on that foxy cop.
I'm
He,
trying to find the door.
he
All right, here
often
we go.
mixes business with pleasure.
We have reports
This
of
is
a
Patrol
high crime rate in this
4561.
area.
I'll look after the
Show
accident.
police presence and take care of it.
Oh, we will. Should we take? Should we take the? Should we take the van? Just in case.
I don't know. There seems to be a lot more going on, like downtown, than it is around here.
Oh. Well, just in case.
Okay, is there a headlight button or something? Because this is. Oh, wait, there it is. Yeah.
All right. We're looking for PCP dealers.
And we're gonna get distracted by backwards parkers.
Yep. Oh, this guy's in the street.
No
It's Miller
sooner
time.
than I.
Hold on. Damn right. I can't let this go. Oh, and the meter's expired. The meter's expired too. He's too far in the street. And the meter's expired.
We require an officer to take care of transporting an arrestee. Anyone available?
I think we should do that one because that'll
Yeah?
help us fill up this bar.
All right.
I'll
what the hell.
manage it.
They can chill in the back seat.
Yeah, we'll just take him for a cruise. Come on, taxi. We got a city to clean up.
Ah, is that them over there?
Where?
Across the street.
Oh, it
Wait.
looks like it.
They're at the police station. What kind of?
It's all right. It's all right, partner. I got it. I'm just gonna grab him and then walk him
Right,
in.
just walk them in. Like,
That's what I'm gonna do.
don't even bring them to the car.
Here you go, partner.
Yep, I'll take
Please
it from
take
here.
the suspect to the police station.
Sure thing.
Taking
Since
you
they
in.
just couldn't be bothered.
Yeah, apparently. All right, come on, fella. Are you kidding me? I'm just gonna walk. Like, where the hell did she go?
Any
You couldn't do
officers
this?
available? We need assistance. The suspect has been spotted close to your current location.
Oh, you
Keep your
gotta be
eyes open,
kidding me.
officer.
It's all right. So you put them in. All right, and you can't run. That sucks.
I can't run. I really want to get Raheem Nazari. Well, good thing this guy's wearing orange. Get used to it, fella. Oh, hell, I don't know where the holding cells are.
Oh shoot! Well, if that's the case, just stick her in the back seat.
Oh. Well, I'm taking this guy on a tour of the station because I don't know where I'm going. All right. That's where those guys are. Hey, there we go.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, the cells are usually on the opposite side from the
Please stay calm and cooperate.
from where our discs are.
Get in the cell. Can't believe that lady wouldn't do it. Wow. How the hell do I get out of here? Oh, thank God. All right. Wait, is this guy near us?
He's around the block somewhere.
All right. You take the car. I'll go on foot.
You're not gonna. He's a little further than that. Plus, it's the other way.
Oh. Oh yeah, I see.
So you're gonna walk? All right, or run. I will meet you over there, I guess.
All right. Raheem Nazari. Well, just in case there's, I don't know, in case I come across like a coke dealer or something on the way. Crime never sleeps. And neither does Frank Miller, unless he gets hit by a car. In which case, he's at work the very next day. Is it it's the yellow dot I'm running towards, right?
Yeah. No, the red one.
Oh. Oh yeah, I was a ways out, wasn't I?
I've arrived in the area. I'll start looking for the suspect.
It's all right. I finally got here.
Yeah, you're about the same distance from the. You're about there.
Let's see. Where are you, Nazari?
And then I'll be pulling up.
We have an emergency. Who's available?
Any of you guys seen Raheem Nazari? Oh, that car's facing the other way. Ah, damn it.
Oh, wait, okay. There you are. So here I am. So where is the guy we're looking for?
I lost the suspect. The hell I did. Where?
This
what?
is Patrol 4561 taking care of the accident.
Oh, what the hell? We lost the suspect.
Ow!
Raheem Nazari got away. I don't know, but this guy's parked the wrong way.
Did he run off? Did he run off while you were looking at cars parked the wrong way?
I never saw him.
Assistance required. Is an officer available?
All right, hold on. Well,
Where are you at? Oh,
yeah,
there you are.
yeah, I was trying not to get hit by another car.
Didn't want that to happen again.
Can't believe Nazari got away. Oh, that guy's on the sidewalk. No, just go. It's fine.
I mean, we're racking up
All right, we're
towards
right
our
here. We're right here.
police presence downtown.
That's true. Can't park on the sidewalk. Sons of bitches.
Assistance required. Is an
Oh, wait.
officer
I'll take
available?
care of it.
Officer.
Ooh,
We've got new
no, this is-
information on the suspect's location.
wanted
We've
person. Let's
updated
get
your
him.
map.
Avanish Issa. I bet he's in cahoots with Nazari. Don't you people see the lights?
Yeah, but the siren's not on.
Oh, good point.
And the game doesn't even consider this an emergency, but
Well, the game didn't think that other guy was too far into the street, so the game can fucking kick rocks. Alright. Where is he? Avanish Issa.
I've arrived at the location.
Alright.
and will
Is that
start
him?
looking for the suspect.
Nope. Alright, I'm hopping out. Oh, I gotta try not to get hit by a car. Alright.
oh wait,
What?
I gotta see him.
Where?
Oh wait, is that? Oh wait, that's you.
Oh.
I just saw somebody. I just saw somebody running.
Wait, cover me. Oh.
Is that? I see someone walking by the red and blue. Oh, yep, that's him. He's running.
Is he? Oh, he is.
Cutting him off.
I got the stun gun. Is that him?
Stop! Put your
Yeah.
hands up!
Oh, wait. He put his hands up.
Oh,
And you.
tough
Oh,
shit.
well.
Give me your
Let me see
ID.
your ID, please.
Sure, officer. Here you go.
He said, I surrender.
It's him. It's
Is that him?
Avanish. It's Avanish Issa, my old nemesis. Well, first of all, we're gonna cuff you
All right, so he's
for fleeing.
arrested for fleeing and for having a warrant.
The reason why you're under arrest is because you fled from a law enforcement officer. Please step onto the sidewalk.
Please cooperate. I'm taking you to the police car.
Yeah, get in the car. Piece of shit.
Watch out for your head.
Hold on a second. Is this guy on the sidewalk? Oh. We'll call
It's like,
this
do
a
not-
bonus.
Do not park where crimes happen.
I bet this is Avanish Issa's car. Not only did he flee from
Assistance
us,
is requested for an
Any statement
emergency.
you make
Please
may be
respond.
used for or against you
but he
before
parked on the
law.
sidewalk.
You have the right to have a competent and independent counsel.
Two things Frank
preferably
Miller
of your own
hates.
choice. And if you cannot afford the services of a counsel, I'm taking care of another issue at the moment. You understand these rights?
We have a traffic stop that needs to be handled.
There's so many parking
I'm not
violations
sure
on
I'll
this
be able to get
street.
there in time.
Oh my god, that guy's just in the street. Partner, you gotta let me out. I'm sorry.
Huh? What?
You gotta let me out. It's important. Yep. Right here's
That
good.
was close.
Right here's good. All right, you take care of the suspect. I'm gonna deal with these sons of bitches.
Ridiculous.
Facing the wrong way. Meter expired. Jesus.
Yeah, this one is expired meter too.
This guy's just in the street. Get out of here.
Is a unit available to transport an arrestee to the nearest precinct?
Maybe.
I'll take care of it.
What are you doing? You up to anything?
Oof, wait. Why did we just get negative 15 points?
I don't know. I didn't do anything.
Unjustified stun gun discharge. You tased the person who had already stopped.
Who did? I did?
Yeah.
Oh.
And you handcuff someone for the wrong reason. Make sure you have enough. What? Fleeing is unjustified?
He fled.
You place a citizen in the back of your vehicle for something they didn't do. All right.
Oh, the hell we did.
Right? That's what I'm saying. You want us to let them go?
Yeah, seriously. You really want Issa back on the streets?
We gotta go pick up the. Oh, okay, you're already there. Yeah,
What'd
we
he
gotta
do?
Pick up this.
Robbery. Oh. I hate this guy. Listen,
What did he do?
listen to what he did. He's got an open warrant, no insurance, ignored a red light, that's fine. Robbery, I don't like that. Parking too far from the sidewalk. I knew
Wait,
it.
was that his car?
I think it was. On top of everything, Avanish Issa is a bad parker.
Right, it's like I'm sure that's just like, was that actually his
I
car?
think it was, and fucking Frank Miller hates that shit. Alright. I got him.
Let's stick him in the back.
Yep,
And we'll continue on
The
our way.
suspect needs to be transported.
that's
Thank
fine.
you
We'll
for
take
taking
him
over.
here. Yep, come on, fella.
Please stay calm so we can go to the police precinct.
Get in.
Pretty cool how the lights work at night.
Please get in the car.
Oh, we can still fit a few people in here.
Yeah, we got room for 2 more.
Let's keep this party rolling.
We require support. Who's available?
For or against you. I'm currently busy. You have the right to have
Okay,
an
so
opportunity
now
to
we
take
need
care
to
of the
head to
council,
like
preferably of
Chester
your
and
own choice.
Alcombe.
And if you cannot afford
So
the services of a
let's
council,
figure out
the
where
government will
Alcombe
provide you one.
is.
Do you
While you're
understand
figuring
these
that out,
rights?
I gotta ticket this car.
Oh, we're in Alcombe now, so I guess we'll just hit further in.
Frank Miller's the Rain Man of parking violations.
There's nobody in that car.
Well, well, well.
We have a traffic stop that requires taking care of.
I'm afraid I won't make it in time.
What?
What, did you get points off again?
Yeah.
No, too close to the side, to the crosswalk.
Oh, hell. All right. Well, you'll get another ticket. Sorry, it's a reflex at this point.
It's like, I see him in the street, and I mark him for being in the street.
I just assumed they were too far from the sidewalk. Oh. Gah.
Okay, should I just like leave you to walk the streets?
Yeah. Just go.
While I
just,
go. All right, I will be back for you.
Okay. Let me.
Oh wait, I'm not even on a job right now. And there's somebody on the
Any
sidewalk
officers
here.
available to transport an
Oh, wait.
arrestee to the nearest police station?
It's all right. Frank Miller's in Hopper. Oh, this guy's graffitiing.
Oh, get him!
Hey. God, what do I do? Just handcuff him?
Either tase him or handcuff him if he runs.
Handcuff. Damn it.
Did you get him?
Hold on.
Please show me your ID.
I'm getting his ID.
Here it is.
If he tries to flee, I'm going to tase him. Zachariah Gao. What have you done? Selling narcotics and stealing cars. Not in my city, fella. All right, buddy. Here's
All
a
right, so-
violation for vandalism.
You're being charged and ticketed for between $400 and $1,000 for spraying graffiti on this
Good
property.
God.
Why does it cost so much?
What? He looks really sad. Give traffic orders. Can I just tell him to get the fuck out?
I mean,
You know what? I'm
yeah.
searching him. I'm searching him.
Pat
I'm
down.
searching him.
I'm going to proceed with a frisk.
Get out of here.
He's like, I really want to put you in the back of my car, so we're about to find something.
He's got a spray can.
You know, it's
Put your hands up
I'm
slowly,
searching him.
please.
I bet he's got
I'm going to
PCT.
search you.
He's got keys.
diabolical.
Maybe it's keys of cocaine. Should I handcuff him?
I mean, if there's one for graffiti, then I guess you can.
Crime scene? There's arrest a person for being involved by a crime witnessed by other people.
I'm trying to find something for it in the.
I mean, I saw him do it. Ah, the hell with it. All right, get out of here. I guess. Right? Shit.
Yeah, I'm looking in the computer for it. I don't see any. Oh wait, graffiti vandalism. Having caught them or attempting to flee, you can detain them and decide to issue a ticket or leave them with a verbal warning. It is not justified to arrest them.
Everything's fine. You're good to go.
All right.
So yeah, if they run, you can arrest them.
All
But he
right.
didn't run.
Oh, that guy's on the sidewalk.
All right, I'm gonna go pick up the arrest.
that lady just littered.
Right, you
Hey.
deal with that.
Hey, hey.
I'm gonna go get the whatever. I'll be back.
I'm writing you a ticket for littering. That will be $25.
You're ruining my day.
First of all, it's nighttime, and second of all, I saw
I'd
you
like
litter.
to see your ID, please.
I heard it. I heard the can drop.
I saw it happen. Oh, she's insurance fraud and cocaine possession. That's probable cause. I'm searching her.
Oh my gosh.
Kindly cooperate for a pat-down.
Like he runs everyone's ID.
Oh yeah.
I need to do a search on you to
Well,
see if
while
you're
we're
carrying
while we're
anything
talking
illegal.
about IDs, when they hand you an ID, like if it has like the wrong gender or wrong picture or something, you can
Leave me
arrest them for
Oh,
fake
that lady
ID.
has switchblades. She had 4 switchblades on her.
Arrest for illegal possession of a weapon.
She's fleeing. I'm in hot
Wait, what?
pursuit. She's running away.
All right, I'm coming back.
I got her. Hold on. Up, lady.
Stop! Put your
I got her.
in the air!
She's been
Where's she
tased.
at?
It's Miller time.
Oh yeah, I see her. Yeah, I saw her like just in the middle of the road, like flat.
We have an emergency. Who's currently available?
You're under arrest for carrying a switchblade with you.
4
Please move to the
switchblades.
sidewalk.
I'm taking care of another issue at the moment.
You piece
All right,
of shit.
last empty seats on your side of the car.
Where,
Put her in.
lady, no, excuse me. What? Oh, she's just walking over that car.
Yeah, I saw it.
All right.
Please cooperate. I'm taking you to the police car.
Is that kid graffitiing again?
He's graffitiing again. Hold on. What the shit? All right.
Get into the car, please.
Get in the car, Switchblade.
Any officers available? We need
No,
assistance.
I'm dealing with this.
I'm taking
repeat
care of another
offender.
issue at the moment.
Bro.
Yeah, the car is
You have the
full. We
right
can't
to
even
remain
arrest him
silent.
now. We'd have to
Any
call
statement
like.
you make may be used for or against you in a court of law. You have the right to have
Dude.
a competent and independent counsel, preferably of your own choice. And if you cannot afford the services
I'm
of
issuing you a ticket for
government
graffiti
will provide you
vandalism.
one.
That will be around
You
$400 to
understand these
$1,000.
I say he's
I
paying
didn't
like
expect it to be that
frickin-
expensive.
This guy's $2,000 in.
Right, like what is our salary? Because he's paying it.
You know, I'm searching.
Please cooperate for a search
Again?
procedure.
What? He might have picked up one of that lady's switchblades.
We need an officer to take care of a traffic stop. Can you do it?
Keys in a spray can still. All right.
So it's the
Have a
same
nice
guy.
day.
It's
Goodbye.
the same guy. I don't know why
You
I
didn't
got
even
minus
get.
5.
You didn't even get points for that. Maybe he's just
You're
standing
taking too
there.
long. Sending another unit.
Yeah, I gotta. I'm sorry. The switchblade lady distracted me last time. I just gotta take care of this piece of shit real quick. Wait a minute. That guy's up to something. Oh. Must give ticket faster.
We are out of room in the car. We
I'll
have
walk
4
him back if
prisoners.
I have to.
What?
Hold on. Hold on a second. I think this guy's selling drugs. I can't prove it. The hell with it.
He's
All right.
like, I can't prove
I
it.
can't prove it, but I got a gut feeling that guy's selling drugs. Oh! That
That
guy
was
almost
close.
hit us. I'm going to ignore the fact that you drove through a ghost taxi on my screen. All right, who's
Hey.
first?
Let's take you to the cell.
Come on, Switchblade.
Let's take you to the cell.
I say, we got 4 switchblades and 4 prisoners. He's like, oh, you got 4 prisoners with a switchblade? He's like, no, 1 lady.
I was shocked. She had 4 switchblades and then she took off.
He's like, oh, are you looking for drug dealers? You found a knife dealer.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
All right, time to get in.
I should go back and escort my arrestee. Yeah, we're currently,
We have too many.
yeah, come on, there's only 2 of us. You know, Jesus.
I say if you could play, that would be fun.
If they could. Oh my God, imagine if we could play with like other people too. We could really clean this shithole up.
Or just have
Let's
more
take you
police
to the
cars
cell.
driving around than ours.
All
It's
right.
time to take you to the police cell.
Come on out, guy. That I don't know what you did. Oh, you got Azanash or whatever his name is.
Oh yeah.
That piece of dirt. All right, get in there. Get in that cell. Son of a bitch. Should leave the cuffs on. Teach you a lesson for not having eyebrows. Jen, always a pleasure.
And that's how we do the night shift.
Uh-huh. We just did the hell out of that night shift.
And I say we still have not shown police presence at Alcombe, but
Oh, but we're about to, I have a feeling.
right, we'll get there. Jeez, negative 30 conduct points?
What?
What did we do?
I got negative 9.
Oh, right. That yeah, negative 90?
Yeah.
You were like one more offense away from like getting suspended?
I guess.
Yeah, we only have 100 conduct points a shift, so if you lose all 100, that's game over.
Oh, Jesus.
The hell did you do? Besides like tasing that guy after he surrendered?
I think, well, I'm assuming it was tase that guy after he surrendered.
You couldn't see that though. I wouldn't even like. Yeah, I saw him put his hands up.
I didn't. I just saw him run and stop.
Right.
And by the time I caught him,
exactly. I'm with you.
yeah,